Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is chapter 3, Biological Molecules. This chapter, right, is suitable for all bio students, okay, whether you are taking G3 biology or whether you are G2 or G3 science biology. This chapter is it's actually pretty important, okay, but it is a little bit heavy in theory and there isn't much to explain, but let me go through all, okay? So I have split this chapter into 5 parts. For this video, I'll just be talking about the introduction and water as a nutrient. But this video, right, the content that I'm actually sharing with you is not really in syllabus. But I have included it in my series of videos is because I think it is pretty important to know, especially water. Okay, so let's begin. All right, let's talk about general nutrients and water. So the food we eat, right, contains nutrients that are essential for us, of course. Okay, so nutrients, right, include water, carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, right, will be covered in this chapter because they are part of the syllabus. Okay, so these three, right, are actually part of the syllabus. For water, which is in this video, it is not really in syllabus, like I said just now, but it is good to know. Okay, as for vitamins and minerals, right, they are not in syllabus, but I think it's also good to know as a normal person, okay, what vitamins and what minerals do. Okay, you can Google them for more information, but I believe you have heard of vitamins and minerals, all right? So let's start with water. Okay, water is used as a biological solvent. So let me try to highlight, okay? So it is a biological solvent and it is it is actually pretty important because a lot of substances, right, can dissolve in water, especially in our body. Okay, so example, right, glucose has to be dissolved in the blood plasma, all right, which will be covered in the later chapter 6. Water is a medium in which chemical reaction occurs. Okay, so for chemical reaction to occur, right, they need water as a medium. Examples are respiration and photosynthesis. These two are actually pretty important in the whole syllabus. Okay, water is also used in hydrolytic reactions, which means generally they are used in chemical reactions, right, that involves breakdown of substances. Okay, example, your digestive enzymes, which will be covered in chapter 5. Water is also an essential component of all cell protoplasm. Okay, water is used as a transport medium. Example, right? Glucose, amino acids, hormones. Okay, these are important nutrients. They are transported in the body in blood, and blood, right, is actually made out of water. As in, like, water is a component in blood. Okay, it is about 70%. So xylem, right, when they transport water and mineral salts. So the mineral salts, right, has to be dissolved in water before they are being transported. Phloem, on the other hand, transports food, right? Your food, which you will know later, is made up of mainly made up of sucrose and amino acids. So sucrose and amino acids, right, also needs to be dissolved in water so that they can be transported. Water is used to maintain body temperature. Okay, so when you perspire, right, when water evaporates from the body, you actually lose heat in the form of latent heat. And water is a major component of bodily fluids. Okay, examples of body fluids: blood, tissue fluid, your mucus in the body, and the lubricants in joint. They are all predominantly made out of water. They are not pure water, but water is the main component in all of them. Okay, so that's it. Okay, this is a very short video on the functions of water. Okay, like I said, you don't really have to remember all, but you will need to know them um, as you go along in the syllabus. Okay, they will not be highlighted to you in your face explicitly, but yeah, you will actually come across. So that's the reason why I decided to do this video to talk about water. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.